check this out. This is pretty cool. Down here on the Chattahoochee River, Columbus, between Columbus and Phenix City, Georgia, and Phenix City, Alabama. Yep, pretty cool stuff going on. And the water's so loud, I don't even know if you can hear me. Man, oh man, I'd like to just get me a pillow, camp out right here on this rock. Talk about a soothing sound. That is for me. It's pretty cool. This isn't even the biggest part of it. This is a little off-take of the rapids that we have here in Columbus, Georgia, Phenix City. Eddie getting rocks. Hey Ed, say hey. Yep, folks down there fishing. Beautiful. Yeah, it is. That's just beautiful. First time I've been down here like this and seen what it is since they've blowed out the dam and they're making rapids. All of this has been diverted to make it white water. Pretty cool. I'm liking this. Hope you enjoy.